All right. The first video on this series is going to be about solar systems, its components that you need, which are the inverter, the battery, the panel, protective devices, so that when I'm mentioning this in the all other videos, you can easily relate, right? Our first on the list is the inverter, right? The inverter rather is just like your generator that you have at home, right? And you agree with me that generator have different sizes, right? Based on what you need them for. Now, irrespective of what you want to power, irrespective of the number of fuel, the amount of fuel you want to buy, right? A particular generator cannot power some certain things. For example, a better person neighbor cannot power fridge, even though you remove the fuel tank and put the fuel tank of the whole apartment, or you go and change your tank, put fuel inside your tank and connect to the a better person neighbor. It cannot make it carry fridge. So what a better person neighbor can carry remains what it can carry. So that being said, your inverter is the generator coil, which is the coil inside that generator. As we have said that, so first of all, your inverter should be able to carry those things that we are going to mention, right? Next thing on the list is your battery. Your battery is the fuel. In your generator, the fuel determines how long whatever you are running will stay. Same thing goes for the inverter. The battery will tell you how long whatever you are powering is going to stay. All right. So, and there are different categories. And in batteries, you hear me say the word kilowatt hour. For inverter, you hear me say either kilowatts or kVA, one of the two of them. Then the last one on the list is the panel. Your panel is just your like a filling station, right? It's where you go there to refill your fuel. Remember, we said something. Your fuel is your what? Your battery. So your panel work is simple for them to what? Refill your fuel. Right, so they're going to be mentioning that. Then protective accessories is a combination of these things, so that your battery, your inverter, or your panels, they are all protected. They work in one, or they work in one. They work in sync. By the time any of them misbehaves, before it gets to the other part is going to something disconnect it. That is what the protective accessories is for, and it's very, very important. So I hope I've explained this, and if you need more questions or more clarity on this, do well to drop it in the comment section. Remember, my name is Abba Treasures, call for Cosmic Technologies, and I hope you're 1% better today. Thank you, and see you on the next one.